let's start. Solution. We have log of 8x squared base 4. Now, the first thing I will try and do here, because the base here is 2. So let me try and express this one as 2 raised to the power of 2. So we have log of 8x raised to the power of 2 base 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so the power comes here. So we have 1 over 2 log of 8x squared base 2. All right. So now look at what we have in the bracket here. We can see 8 multiplies x raised to the power of 2. So see what we are going to do. Please, you have to be very careful and do this half well. Now this half multiplies everything I'm going to be having. So that means I have 1 over 2. So I open a bracket. Okay, so times logarithm of 8 base 2 plus logarithm of x squared base 2. I hope you know how I got this. So when multiplying, you add. So 8 is multiplying itself with x squared. All right, so base 2. So that's it. Okay, so now we have 1 over 2. This is logarithm of 2 raised to the power of 3 base 2 plus, now this comes here. So we have 2 log of x base 2. Okay, I want to check if anyone have the answer already. Okay, nobody yet. All right, so we have 1 over 2. So this comes to this side. We have 3 log of 2 base 2. Okay, plus 2 log x base 2. Now, so this gives us what? 1 over 2. Now, log 2 base 2 is 1. So 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2. Now, log x base 2 has been given here is a. So everything here is a. So this is a. So we have 2a. All right. So you can open the brackets. So that gives us what? 3 over 2 plus a. Because when half multiplies this, so these two cancel these two. So it's going to be the answer. So a plus 3 over 2. So that's the answer to the problem.